Hello, guys. Good afternoon, and welcome to our live streaming session for today. Um, so, as usual, we're going to be analyzing the market and looking for entry opportunity. All right. So, if this is your first time joining us on our live trading session, what we do here is you basically make analysis and give out free signals when I get good entry. All right. So what you are supposed to do is to your trading account. This session is not a session for to start trading the demo. Okay, you can learn demo on your own when you want to practice on your own. So this session is where I give out free signals and then we make money. Okay, so fund your account, and if you fund on this live stream, you'll be eligible to join my premium group. So I have a premium group where I give out free signals, better signals, okay, intraday signals every day. So to join the live stream, to join the premium group, what you have to do is you see that banner where deposit with benefit is written on. Just click on the banner. So if you click on the banner, it will take you to where you can deposit into your trading account. Now, if you deposit $10 will get you into the premium group for 2 weeks. That's 14 days. If you deposit up to $15 will get you into the premium group for 30 days. That's 1 month. And if you deposit up to $200 into your trading account, you'll be eligible to join the premium group for 1 month. Okay, a private session, a one-on-one private session. All right. So, guys, just a second. Okay, so let's get into the activity of today. Um, so, guys, we're going to be starting with XAU USD. Yeah, let's start with there since we are already on the chart. Uh, so what I would like you to do is, whenever I'm making analysis on a particular pair, I would suggest you also go to the pair. So immediately I give out the signal. When I saw the signal and I give out the signal, you can just click on either buy or sell. Okay, whichever one I give out. All right. So that way things are easier for us. All right. So um, as you can all see, I've made analysis here previously on XAUUSD, and we took this trade. We took the first one. We took a sell trade here, though it went against us. Then we took the second one, which is a buy trade. Um, the market already hit our first take profit, and we are out of this market. But there's still opportunity. There's still an opportunity. All right. So right now, this market is trying to break this high. Okay. So we have a previous high here. We have a previous high, and we have a current low. Okay. So it's our current low because the market hasn't gone below it. Okay. So this is the current low that we have, but we have a previous high. All right, sorry, this is also the previous high, the current high. The market hasn't really gone above the high. Okay, but as you can see, the market is pushing up to get to this high. Okay, so as you can see from the chart, it's obvious that the market is making a bullish move. The market is heading to the upside. Okay, the market will keep going up. So this is the 5 minutes time frame. All right. So the market is coming. The market is heading to this point, to this area. All right. Okay. So you can see those areas are marking out. These are areas where the market came back to retest. Okay. So the market came back to retest all of these zones, and then and that is why you see the market keep creating bullish moves. Okay, keep making bullish moves because anytime it makes a retest, it tries to shoot up, further than that level, and that is what is currently happening right now. All right. So what we'll do here is we'll wait for the market to go above this level. I want the market to go above this level before I can think of even placing a buy trade. Okay. And then another scenario that can play out here is the market can get to this point and then make a reversal. All right. Remember, this is the 5 minutes time frame, and if the market reverses around this here, it's just going to be for a short while. Okay, it's going to be a short sell because as you can see, obviously the market is still making bullish moves. Okay, so let's see what will happen when the market gets to that point. You see, the market has been creating highs, higher highs, which means the market has been on uptrend from this zone up until now. All right. Okay, so we have about 3 minutes to the end of this current candle, right? So let's see what happens after the close of the current candle. Let's see if the market would break out or close below this level. Okay, let's see if it's going to close below this level or if it's going to break out of it. So if it breaks out, the market will continue to buy. But if it closes below this level, the market will just come down to make retest. Okay. So you see, now I'm not saying the market will make retest and then go down. Okay. I'm saying the market will make retest before it continues its uptrend movement. Okay. Because the market is on bullish move. Okay. The market is on uptrend move. So anytime the market is moving up this way, it's better to just stick to buying. Taking a sell trade here is make this sell. That is why I said earlier it's going to be long. Okay, we're not going to be staying in the market for long. So once the market gets to, let's say, this point, this next area where the market has retested before, we will leave the market. Okay. So, but first we need confirmation. Okay, we need confirmation. So let's see how the current candle closes. Okay, so the candle just finished printing on the 3 minutes time frame. Okay, but we made the analysis from our 5 minutes time frame. All right. So I suggest we wait for the 5 minutes. Just few more seconds, first few seconds more to the end of the candle on the 5 minute time frame. Okay, so the 5 minute candle finished printing, but we didn't get a rejection. Okay, we didn't get the rejection I expected here. So what we're gonna do is let's go to 15 minutes time frame. I said earlier, the market is making bullish moves right now. So the possibility of the market breaking this high is, let's say, around 80%. Okay. So, and that is why taking a sell trade here is very risky. If we are going to place a sell trade, we have to be sure. Okay, we have to be sure. Okay, so now that XAUUSD hasn't given us the confirmation to either buy or sell, I suggest we go make analysis on other instruments, see if we can get opportunity there. But don't worry, we'll always come back to this to see if any opportunity has created itself. Okay. All right, so let's go to the crypto instruments. Let's go to BTC USDT. Okay. All right. Okay, and guys, please, I said earlier, whenever take I open up a new chat, I'll suggest you also open the same chat as I have. So that because sometimes, I get direct entries, like I get signals immediately. Okay, and if you are not following up, it can be quite hard sometimes to to keep up with taking the signal. That is why sometimes some people will be complaining that the signal you dropped this morning, when I took it, when you said we should go out, that was when I just started seeing profit when you said we should close the signal. The reason is because you didn't take the signal immediately. I said I called out the trade. Okay, so if you are not taking the signal immediately, the market doesn't stay on one position. Okay, it keeps moving. So if you're not taking it immediately, the market, maybe probably has moved a few pips to our direction before you got into the market, and that is why you are experiencing. So go to the chart. Okay, so for now I'm on BTC USDT. Suggest you go to BTC USDT also. So immediately I call out a trade. You get to pick the trade. You get to place the trade immediately also. So let's go to the 30 minutes time frame. BTC USD. In fact, the whole instrument, crypto instrument, has been on uptrend for over, let's say, since the beginning of this year, actually. Okay. So now that you can get a sell opportunity here, but as I've said earlier, you need to be careful if you are going against the trend. Okay. So right here, right now, the market is on uptrend, and if you want to sell here, you have to look at your chart more than once. Okay, don't just make decision because of how you feel over the market. You need to sit down, make proper analysis, be sure that the market is making a retracement to the opposite direction. Okay, so once you have the proper confirmation, you are positive, then you can go ahead and place the trade. Okay, so right now what I'll be looking out for here is a buy trade. Okay, because as you can see from the higher time frame, it's obvious the market would continue to go up. All right, the market has just come down to this level to make a retest. The market has just market came down to make retest here. So what we'll be looking out for here is a buy trade. Okay, but we are not going to place this trade. We are not going to place this because crypto instruments are very volatile. Okay, the crypto instruments are very volatile, and if you want to trade it, it requires a good amount of balance. Okay, if you have a good balance, that is when you can actually place a good trade without fear on the crypto instruments. All right, but for us that have little balance, what I love to do is So what I love to do is I want the market to come down. Okay, I always wait for the market to come down to a certain level where I know my stop loss will be uh, not so much. Okay, so where I know I can risk what I can afford to lose. So let's say I want to risk like $2 here right now. You see, it's possible because I have a very tight stop loss. Okay, but if we are picking this trade from here, let's say we are entering this trade from here right now. You see, our stop loss is a bit wide, and we are on 1 hour time frame. Okay. Okay, but let's go down to the lower time frame. Let's go to lower time frame. Let's see if we can get right, since the market is right here right now. Let's see if we can reduce our stop loss to a certain level where it will be less riskier, where it will be less risky for us to place this trade. Okay, because I see a good momentum for a buy on this particular pair. Okay, guys, let's stay on BTC USDT. Okay, let's stay on the BTC USDT chart. So what we are looking for here is a buy opportunity. Okay, a buy opportunity. All right. Okay, so right now I'm not going to place a trade on this because on the lower time frame, okay, you see here on the lower time frame here, we had a previous move from this point, from these areas. Okay, we had a previous uh, downtrend movement from these areas. So before I consider placing a buy trade, even though the market is going to the upside, doesn't mean that you can't have drawdowns that will take you out of the market. Okay, so you can always have drawdowns that will take you out of the market. And if care is not taken, if you are having a low balance, it can reduce your balance to an amount you won't be able to trade with again. So it's better you wait for proper confirmation, as I keep saying. Okay. So I want this market to go above this level. Okay. In fact, I want it to close with a body above this level. That way, I'll be confident that the market will keep heading to the upside. Okay. So at the end of this candle, I would know if the market is reversing or if it's going to continue to go up. Um, the confirmation is for the candle to close with a full body above this line. Okay, above this line where I labeled CH. And we are currently on the 5 minutes time frame. Okay, guys, remember, if you deposit using that deposit with banner, if you click on it, it will take you to where you can make deposit. All right, if you deposit $10, you'll be eligible to join my premium group for 2 weeks. If you deposit up to $15, you'll be eligible to join my premium group for 1 month. That's 30 days. And if you deposit up to $200, you'll be eligible to join my premium group for 30 days. And then you also get the benefit of having a one-on-one session with me. Okay. a live private session. All right. So on that session, I can even teach you how I'll teach you how to become a profitable trader. I can also teach you my own personal strategy, my winning strategy, the strategy I use to give, all of the signals I give out here. All right. Okay. So you see, it's very important to be patient if you are trading the forex market. Look at what I was saying earlier. Okay. The market didn't go above it. Instead, the market closed below and then formed another bearish candle. Okay, so we don't have the whole of the day. Let's just make analysis from other instruments and see if we can get an entry. Okay. Okay, right now I'm on Ethereum USDT. I'm on Ethereum USDT 15 minutes time frame. Ethereum USDT 15 minutes time frame. All right. Okay. So the crypto instruments they are always similar in their movement. Most times, when BTC is buying, Ethereum, would also making a bullish move. Okay, so that is why if you make analysis on one crypto instrument, it's very easy to predict what is going on. Uh, um, okay. Okay, so right now I want this market to make a retracement back to at least this level. Okay, I want it to make a retracement back to at least this level for me to be able to place a buy trade. Okay, okay, so guys, go to Ethereum USDT. Let's go to Ethereum USDT. Okay, let's go to Ethereum USDT. So this market is approaching this fair value gap. All right. So this is my entry point. This is my entry point right here. So once this bearish move gets into this zone, we are going to place a buy trade using this high as our target and then this low as our stop loss. Okay. Okay. Okay, so while we wait for the confirmation on Ethereum USDT, let's take a look at what is going on XAUUSD. You see, the market broke above um, the level where I drew out earlier. Okay, so the market went above it, signifying a continuation. Okay, so what this is saying right now is the market is going to continue to buy. All right. So, but before I can take this trade right now, I would prefer if this market comes back down to retrace this area, okay, to retrace my trend line. Okay. So once it comes down to retest my trend line, that is when I'm going to place a buy trade. Okay. So I think we have two analyses. We have two analyses on. Okay. We have two analyses on. We have two instruments we are waiting on for confirmation. You see, I told you whatever BTC USDT is doing, Ethereum would also, most times be doing the same. And you see, that is exactly what is happening here right now. Okay, that's exactly what is going on here right now. So for BTC USDT, this is our next point of interest. My entry will be from here. My entry will be from here. My stop loss is here. Wow. Okay, guys, Ethereum USDT, let's buy now. Okay. So as I've said earlier, we want to be careful. Um, so we don't want our stop loss to be too wide. Okay. So we have lows we can actually drag down our stop loss to. But let's just use this one since we are scalping the market. Okay. We are not going to stay long. Once we make little profit, we are running out of the market. Okay. We are running away with the profit we made. Okay. So the market is currently rejecting the fair value gap zone. Okay. And if you took the trade immediately, I said buy, you should be seeing profit by now. Okay. Another drawdown. Okay, we are making profit, guys. All right, let's close. Let's close. All right, that was a nice move from Ethereum USDT. That was a nice move from Ethereum USDT, guys. The market is still making a bullish move. The market is still moving bullish. All right. So, um, all right, that was a nice one. Okay, so we have a pending. Okay, so you see, I said earlier, if the market breaks above my trend line, it's going to come back to make a retest. Yeah. Okay, so the market is making a retest right now. The market is making a retest right now. Let's see if this retest is going to push the market further up. So once this current candle closes, um, week, a week, a long wick and a small body, a rejection candle. If it closes with a rejection candle, we are going to place a buy on XAUUSD. Okay, it's still retesting. So what I want here is I want this current candle to close above um, this previous resistance line and my upper trend line channel. Okay. So if it closes that way, the market is trying to tell me that it has now turned this previous resistance to a valid support, and then the market will start to of this current candle. Let's see if this is going to give us our second winning trade for today. Okay, guys, let's go to XAUUSD. Stay on XAUUSD chart. Okay. Okay, a few seconds to the end of this current candle. Okay, so the candle closed, but I'm not comfortable with how the candle closed. So what I wanted here was a rejection candle. But what was printed is a bearish engulfing candle. Okay, and bearish engulfing candle candles, telling you that the market is going to sell. Okay, so I don't want a selling confirmation for my buy opportunity, and that is why I'm not going to place this trade. Okay, let's go to the 15 minutes time frame. All right, so let's wait till the end of the current candle, this current candle. Okay, let's wait till the end of it. Let's see if we are going to get the buying confirmation. Okay, because I'm pretty sure the market will continue. This current one, the XAUUSD will continue to print bullish candles. But we need proper confirmation before we can ride along with it. Okay. Right, less than 2.5 minutes to the end of this candle. All right, less than 2 minutes. Less than 2 minutes to the end of this current candle. Once the candle finish printing, and we have a proper confirmation, let's say like a rejection candle that I talked about earlier, then we place a buy order. Okay, we would place a buy trade. So uh, if not, then we just go to another instrument to make analysis and see if we can get an opportunity. Okay, less than a minute, few seconds more to the end of this candle. Yeah, guys, stay on your XAUUSD chart. Okay, stay on your XAUUSD chart. So once I get a confirmation, I'm going to call out the trade. Okay, so what I got here right now is also a rejected candle. Um, but we want a rejection candle that is going to be on the opposite side of this. Okay, not this way. I want one where the body will be at the top and the wick will be below. Okay, but the one we got is the body is down and the wick is above. So we don't want such uh, candle formation. Okay, I don't want such candle formation. That market seems like you want to continue or you want to reverse to the downside. All right, so since we are not getting the confirmation we waited for, I think we should just make analysis on another trade, see if we can get opportunities. Okay, we still have a few more minutes, and I believe we can still get a profitable trade to make money from. Yeah. Okay, so the market has moved above this trend line. All right. So, okay, so here we have a conflicting market movement. Okay, we have a conflicting market movement. So here we have the market giving us a rejection that the market would go down. And we have another one here previously. This is telling us the market will continue to go up. All right. And BNB USDT is on uptrend. So anytime you make analysis and you have a conflicting confirmations this way, I'll suggest you just leave the trade, go make analysis from another instrument. I mean, there are a lot of instruments you can trade from. Yeah. So don't just make analysis on one. Uh, okay, so we are currently on the forex instruments. So here we have AUDCAD. Okay, AUDCAD. All right, let's see what AUDCAD is currently doing. All right, let's see if AUD is going to give us our second opportunity. All right. So here the market is also on uptrend. Okay, the market is moving bullish. All right, and right now we have a zone where the market has been ranging. Okay, the market is currently ranging around this zone. This is the 2 hours time frame. Let's go to the lower time frame. Okay, let's go to the lower time frame. Let's see if we can get an entry here. Right. So I just need this market to make a short retracement to this zone. Okay, I need the market to make a short retracement back to this zone. Right. Okay, the market is making bearish move right now. Let's see if it's going to get to our entry point. Okay. So the market is still moving towards our entry point. Once the market gets down to that level, we are going to place a buy trade. And guys, remember to fund your account using the deposit with benefit banner. All right. As I've said earlier, if you fund your account using the deposit with benefit banner, if you fund $10, you'll be eligible to join my premium group for 2 weeks. If you fund up to $15, you'll be eligible to join my premium group for 1 month. And if you fund up to $200, you'll be eligible to join my premium group for 1 month. And then you also get to enjoy the benefit of having a one-on-one session with me. Okay, a live session where I can teach you how to become a profitable forex trader, and even share with you my personal trading strategy. All right. And the beautiful part of this is, um, when you fund your account, the money is going into your trading wallet. Okay. So all the benefits I've listed out, they are free. Okay. So it's not as if you are paying for the services you get to enjoy. All right. If you fund your account, the money is going into your trading wallet. It is your normal way of funding. But if you fund on this live stream, that is how I know that you pick interest in joining my premium group. All right. If you fund using the banner, I get to know that you are interested in joining my premium group. All right. So please fund your account. Come and see what we are doing in the premium group. Okay. Come and have a feel of what is going on in our premium group. All right. Let's go down to the lower time frame. So the market is currently making move to our entry right now. Guys, go to AUDCAD. Okay. AUDCAD. I think we can actually pick the trade from here because we have a small fair value gap and the market is currently reacting to it. Okay, guys, let's buy AUDCAD. Second trade of the day. AUDCAD. Okay. AUDCAD is running. All right. So for this, I think we should have our take profit and stop loss on. Okay, because I'm seeing a good opportunity here for us to make um, you know better profit. So let me enter my take profit and my stop loss, then I'll share with you guys. Okay. Okay, so let's set our take profit and our stop loss for this trade. Okay, so please enter your take profit and your stop loss appropriately. All right. So just make sure you are filling them to their respective sections. All right. So TP for TP, SL for SL. So don't mistakenly fill SL for TP or TP for SL. Okay. And our trade is currently running in profit. Okay. Our second trade is running in profit. Little, but yes, profit is profit. Okay. And for the few more minutes we have, I think we still have about 5 minutes more. So let's make an analysis. Let's continue with our analysis. Let's continue with our analysis. Let's see if we can get another trade. Okay. AUD JPY. Okay. The Australian dollar against the Japanese yen. So before we play this trade, let's see if this aligns well with the technical analysis. No, we're not just going to play straight based on what we see the market doing. Okay, so we still need to be sure. That is why we need to make technical analysis to be sure what we are saying is actually what is going to happen. Okay. All right. So we need confirmation on this trade before we can place an order. And the confirmation is, so the market didn't get to the 50% here. Um, I would have preferred if the market got to this point, okay, the 50% of the fair value gap. So when the market get to such point, there will be nothing holding it back to get to my target. Okay, so the market is still going to get to this 50% point before it reverses back to the downside. Okay. Okay, we still have a minute and a few more seconds to the end of this current candle. Let's go to the lower time frame. Okay, let's watch the trade from the lower time frame. Okay, so the candle is about to end, and it's nowhere close to our entry point. Okay, but it's all good. We had two trades today. The first one, we've already closed the first one. We made good profit. The second one is still running. All right. And guys, make sure you close once you start, making profit. Okay. So okay, sorry about that, guys. As I was saying earlier, make sure to close your trade once you start making good profit. So let's say you are risking $1 right now. Once you make a profit of, let's say, like 1.5 or $2, please make sure to close. Okay. So that will be all for today. Join me again tomorrow, 10 a.m. Let's do what we do every day. So that will be all for today. Enjoy the rest of your day, guys, and bye for now.